this. I should have shot and posted this video in December because I was excited to see the new features of InShot. But if you're yet to pay 4,500 naira for 1 full year on InShot, I must say you're missing out. But all this thing I'm saying, I'm still going to show you the free, like what you could get for free on InShot is still crazily amazing. So wait for it. I'll just get right into this video. I'll just get right into the app, and I'm going to be going from one icon to the other as I always do. Let's go. So okay, so I'm right on my InShot app, and like I said, I'm going to be showing you every icon on what it represents. I mean, so you're going to be seeing everything new, everything old. I mean, both the freebies and the paid versions. So I'm going to be running you through as I always do. So let's go. I'm going to be picking a video to work with. Let me make do with this video. Let me just use this video. There's nothing really. Okay, let me go. So like I said, I'm running through every feature. I've done that before. I have a video, so it's going to be in the description on where I run you all about. I run everything about the InShot app. But here I'm going to be showing you what is happening, like what's happening right now on the InShot app, what's new about the InShot app that I don't have on my previous tutorial. So this is updated against January 2021. So here we go. This is a Canva. There's no need running it through here. I just want to remove the frame from my video. That's all I want to do here. So I don't need to run you through. You can check the description if you want to see the full video on how to use the InShot app. I'm just showing you here the updated version on every icon. This could be very useful too, so you need it. So going to the music, you know, there definitely are new tracks like the Summer Soul, which has not been there. The Indian Dreams, it was not there before. The Jeff Kali was not there before. Love Actually was not there before. Another Daydream was not there before. The Rhythm of the Breath, it was not there before. So these are new albums that came up. Then going to the okay, yeah, you could extract audio from what I showed previously. Right here you could extract audio, which is very interesting. Extracting audio from any video. Extract audio from any video. So I'm going to go back right away. Okay, so there's nothing new here, so I'm going to be leaving here right away. So let's go to the stickers. Oh, I think the stickers are quite interesting because of the gifts. You can see the gifts, the stickers. This made it more interesting. Like, oh my god, you could just type. Okay, looking for a sticker that says something like "I'm crazy." You search, you see it has a whole lot. Maybe just pick one. Let me see, which should I pick right now? It should let me pick anyone. Yes, I'm crazy. So do you see I can move it as usual? If you've gone through any of my tutorials, you understand what I'm talking of. So you see this whole stickers, the whole gifts thing is so interesting. Like you can make your video more fun with the gifts. Remember, you can search for anything using the search here. So that's it. That's for this part. Then going back to the texts, what is new about the text? Now I'm going to show you something very interesting, especially for iOS users. I think Android phone users already had this. So let me just type something. My name is Chisom. So let's go. I'm going to be clicking on this icon that has so many colors here. Remember, I'm taking it through. So look down. You will notice, I think this was already an Android, but this just started appearing on iPhone, iOS. So you see, I love this. This is so nice. This is like my favorite. Let me change the font so you see why I love it. It's so nice. See how it looks. So I'll go back there. See how it looks. See, they have new what they call them again, Like the colors are amazing. Like this was not formerly on iOS, but now we have it on iOS. It's now fun to use InShot for iOS users. So we have it all here. You could actually do this is simple. You could do this adding label, adding borders, but I think I like this. These ones are new and they're amazing. These are exceptional. These ones are exceptional. So that's what's new here. Okay, then the transitions are still regular, nothing changed there. It's still the same as we've always had it. Then I'll go back. Okay, go back. Then I'm gonna go to filters. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Going to the effects, and remember that you cannot use majority of the effects if you don't have the paid version of InShot, and the effects are so nice, so nice. So this particular effect, the retro, they had all of the rest. The beats were there, the celebrate was there, style was always there, distort was always there, but the retro is new. It's new, it's new, it's new. Yeah, so do you see that this the retro is not bad? Like, see, so I like it actually. So good. Uh-huh, that was new. So remember, you can always drag for the effects. You can always drag to the end. You can always just stop anywhere. Then your filters. Well, there's nothing really amazing because I hardly even use the filters. Like some people might love to use the filters because they don't have the vintage. Oh, I'll really appreciate if you hit the like button, share my videos, comment, tell me what you want to see on my next video, tell me what you want to learn. I mean, this encourages me. So you could tap on the like button, you could share my video, you could comment. I'll be really grateful for that. So tell me what you want to see on my next video in the comment section. As in, this is amazing. I just love it. So now we've got the peep, which we never had. Now what does the peep do? Amazing. It's a for video overlay. We never had that. We could only do picture overlays using the sticker, but now we have the peep where you can have your video overlay. So let's go. Let me have a video. What video do I bring in there? Here is the video I want to put right here. So I'm gonna put it here. Maybe I'm like doing something like talking about something, so you could just put the video or the picture. So the peep now helps you put videos, which we couldn't do before on the InShot app. So this is interesting. You can add another one. You can, like, for the peep, you can add as much videos at a time. Can you see that? You can add as much videos as it. This is actually my best feature on the like from what they added in this new insurance. Honestly, best of the new features that I have. Like, this is my favorite, and don't forget to tell me your favorite on the caption. Like, let me know if you really followed what I was doing here. Like, just give me a thumbs up, comment on my videos, share them. They make me happy. And just tell me what you want me to talk about in my next video, what you want to learn about. So the pre-cut, it's always been there. The trim, cut, sleep, I have it on my previous video. The lead, volume, it's always been there. So I'm going to show you something about the volume, which is interesting. Okay, no, I'm going to show you this from the music. Let's go. Let's pick a track. Let me just pick any track. Saudi people. So I just want to show you how the fade feature, I'm going to double click, then I'll get here. So the fade feature has actually changed. It's more better. You can decide to fade like gently, or let it just fade abruptly, like immediately. So this is what it helps you to do. If you look at it, look at the sides, it's actually amazing. It's amazing. This is amazing. So those are that I have them. For the speed, okay, the speed adjustments just got better. I love the new phase, like unlike before. It's more interesting now to do the whole speed adjustments. Then duplicates, really it's not necessary. It's always been there, the whole crop thing. Okay, now you can crop your video. You can, like, this could be done, since you can actually screw your video, like, move the angles, stuff like that, make it feel better. So this is it. It's actually cool. It's a cool feature that I enjoy using. And rotate, it's always been there. The flip has always been there. The freeze has always been there. Like from my last video I made freeze. What does it mean? You just freeze the part of the video. Let's say I could be playing, and I get here, I want to freeze this part to just capture the picture. I just did that. So do you see what's gonna happen? The part, and it pauses and it gets my picture. It's just amazing. This is the reverse. There's really nothing, like, it's amazing. I think the new features here I enjoy is the peeps, having to do a video overlay on the InShot. And then let's go to settings. So there's something amazing happening here too. For the video resolutions, now you can have it up to 4K. You can have up to 4K. It's not interesting. And you can have up to 60 fps. So interesting. But I like to keep my own on 1080p on 4K. Sorry, I mainly do 4K 30 fps videos. Okay, so this is all what is new. And then you're trying to save, they'll always ask you the resolution you want, and it'll tell you the size of your video before you save. So InShot just got more amazing. And I think the only thing we're waiting for on InShot is the chroma key. Once there's chroma key on InShot, I don't think that people like me will be needing the KineMaster app again. I hope you found this tutorial really interesting. Thank you so much for staying to the end of this video. I love that you drop a comment, like this video, share this video, and remember to tell me what was amazing, what amazing finding you what you found out. I mean, I know you found something exciting from this video today. So tell me what it was for you. And I would love to read your comments and reply just in time. See you in my next video.